have this chord AB. So AB is the chord. It will divide the circle into two parts. One is major segment and the other one is the minor segment. Okay. So the next theorem is, so here we have this chord, and now if I draw, so angle subtended by this arc on the remaining part of the circle, right? So the theorem is the angles in the same segment. So I told this is major segment, this is minor segment. The angles subtended by the chord on the same segment, okay, not this segment, on the same segment, are going to be equal in length, are going to be equal. So if this one is x, this is going to be x, this is going to be x. So all these angles are going to be x, right? So if this is a chord, the angles subtended, the angle standing on this arc, I told you, just imagine someone standing, right? So all the angles standing on this arc, these angles are going to be equal. So what is the proof? Suppose this is the center. So suppose this is the center of the circle, right? Then the last theorem, if this angle is 2x, this is going to be x, this is going to be x, this is going to be x. That is the proof. Simple as that. Because this angle subtended by this arc on the center is not going to change. If it is 30, it is going to be 30, right? It cannot change, because unless this AB chord move up or down, it is not going to change. So this is 2x. So if this is 2x, this is always going to be x, 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 right? So if this angle subtended by this chord on the same segment are equal in this angle, so all these angles are going to be x. So that is the next theorem. We use the same theory, right? The last one we proved that if this is AB, if this one is 2x, this is going to be x. So this theorem is used to prove this theorem, right? Then next we have, again we are using the same theorem to prove this theorem, okay? So if this chord is passing through the center, so if this is the diameter AOB, so if this is the diameter, okay, what will happen? It is going to be, they say this will be 90 degrees.
90.
Yes, this will be 90 degrees. Why? So here, look at this angle. So same thing, right? The only thing is this angle subtended by the chord, this chord is the diameter. On the center is how much? 180. This is 180. So this is going to be half of that, which is 90. Right? So we use the same principle here. So this principle is,
but
yes.
This say 180 comes down, no?
Both same, yeah. You can take. If top is 180, down is also 180. This is also 180. So half of that. Yes, you are right. It should be, we have to take the down one, but both are same. So these are the two theorems. So 1, 2, 3. So from this one only, these two theorems are derived. So you have to remember, angles on the same segment are equal. Angles of a semicircle, so this is a semicircle, right? Angles of a semicircle is 90 degrees, and this is the base theorem. So this angle is twice of the